All finished then. What's the verdict? Well, brilliant. What a brilliant kit to do. Just over 600 pieces, and I've done some with 4,000 pieces from the Technics. But this was an absolute peach to do. Really enjoyed it. I think just because it's different. It's not a car or a truck. Silly little things like all the engine and how it's, you can't stand it up, you've got to be careful. Your chain down here, the steering, the gears. This bit when you're doing a Technic and you get to the bit where you have to test stuff. And this was testing whether it did neutral, first, second gear. And think, well, it's a bit late now if it doesn't. But, you know, as usual, it did. If you just take your time and go through the instructions. You know, it looks fantastic. Absolute bee's knees. I absolutely love it. Yeah, they should do some more. Definitely do some more motorbikes. Two gripes for me. One minor one, had a couple of little red pieces that weren't colour matched, and they were almost well, half purple. Must have been the end of the run when they were being made, so I've hidden those under here. There was 3 of those, so that was a bit disappointing. And the only other gripe is this windshield. I mean, what is that? It is absolutely pathetic. A thin piece of plastic that you bend round the 2 swords that slot in there, and it's not even clear. I just don't understand that at all. Here it is. I've just taken that off my Technic Porsche model. Now that in itself, you know, it's not a million miles away from the size and the shape of the windshield there, is it? So, you know, it's not an impossible thing to make. But yeah, that really lets it down. Really lets it down. But you know, it is what it is. And I'll look forward to displaying that. Yeah, brilliant. Little bit of turn, not too loose, stands up well, and it looks great. Do you know what I mean? Even the stickers were well colour matched, the red on red. So I'm pleased with those. Excellent. Ducati Technic. First of many motorbikes, hopefully. Great. Look forward to the next one. Catch up soon. Alright.